Guys, welcome to my channel. I am going to do Excel chapter 12 grader mid-level 2 customer estimate. That basically this is the 12th chapter of Excel section of this Pearson course, and in this video I will be doing this assignment step by step, and you can get your assignment done by watching this complete video. But if you want me to do this assignment for you, or if you want me to do this complete course for you, including all the Excel, Word or PowerPoint assignment, you can contact me and you can hire me for your complete course. You can also hire me for your other assignment like accounting, management, finance, information technology, computer sciences, all other writing assignments, mathematics or statistics. So first we will start this assignment, and we are supposed to download the files to solve this assignment. So first of all we will download the materials to solve this assignment. So click continue button, and we are supposed to download the files first. So I will download the files first. So click download materials, and after clicking the download material you will see the file. One will be the instruction file and other will be the Excel workbook that we are supposed to use. So click download all. So now open this one, that is the instruction file. So you can see Exp25 Excel chapter 12 mid-level 2 customer estimate. So that is the title for this assignment. Then we will open the instruction file, solution file, that is the Excel workbook as well. Okay, so title of the assignment is Exp25 Excel chapter 12 mid-level 2 customer estimate, and at start of the instruction you can see the project description. There is nothing to do in project description, but I suggest you to read this project description so that you can get an idea about the assignment. Once you will read this project description, this will be easy for you to solve this assignment. So read this project description and get an idea about the assignment. Then we can see project steps to perform to complete this project, and total steps to perform are 16. So we are supposed to solve 16 questions to get this assignment done. So I will solve step by step, and you are supposed to follow me if you want to get this done for you. So now let's start from step number 1, and you are supposed to keep following me. Then you will be able to solve this assignment on your own. So step number 1. Start Excel, download and open the file named Exp25 Excel chapter 12 ML2 estimate. So I have already downloaded this file, and this is the Excel workbook that we are going to use to solve this assignment. We will apply all the instructions and all the steps to this Excel workbook, and we will make this Excel workbook in the final form for the summation. So your first task is to download this Excel workbook from your Pearson dashboard. I have already downloaded, and you can download this from your course dashboard. Now step number 1 is just about downloading the Excel workbook. So we will move to step number 2. Select the range A1 up to H26 and clear all data validation that was included in the worksheet. So now you can see that this worksheet has the data validation. These yellow boxes are appearing because of the data validation. So we are supposed to clear the data validation, and we will select this range, that is A1 up to H26. So we will go to the sheet and we will select this range A1 up to H26. So we have selected this whole range starting from A1 up to H26. Now we are supposed to clear all the data validation. So to clear the data validation, just go to data tab, then in data tools go to data validation. Click OK, click clear and go to input message. Go to input message and click clear all. Okay, so now you can see that yellow boxes have been disappeared because we have cleared all the data validation that was included in this worksheet. So we have removed the data validation from this worksheet. So that is all about step number 2, where we were supposed to remove the data validation. Now we will go to step number 3. So step number 3 is click cell B1 and enter VJD home renovations. Go to cell B1 and we are supposed to type VJD renovations. So that is what we are supposed to type in cell B1. So in B1 we are supposed to type VJD renovations as the company name. So that is all about step number 3. Now let's do step number 4. Click cell F7 and enter discount rate. So now we are supposed to click cell F7. This is F6, this is F7, and we are supposed to enter discount rate in cell F7. So here type discount rate. Okay, so we have entered discount rate in cell F7. That is step number 4. Now let's do step number 5. Insert comment. Please enter discount rate as percentage in cell G7. So this is cell G7 and here we are supposed to enter please enter discount rate as percentage. So here we will type please enter discount rate as percentage. Okay, here we are supposed to type please enter discount rate as percentage. Okay, so that is step number 5. Now let's move to step number 6. That is an important part of this assignment, and this is saying use macro recorder to record a macro, and we are supposed to give the name to the macro, that is sort. The macro should sort the table in the range B9 up to G20 in ascending order based on quantity, that is column D. Be sure to stop the macro record after completion. So now in step number 6 we are supposed to record a macro, and this macro task is to sort the table in ascending order based on the quantity. So first of all we will go to developer tab, okay, and click on record macro. So now we are supposed to give name to the macro, that should be sort. Okay, after giving name to this macro, click OK. Now you can see that recording has been started. So we are recording a macro. Now we are supposed to select the range, this range, that is the table. Okay, go to table design or go to home tab and go to sort. custom sort. This will sort the table based on quantity. Okay, quantity in ascending order in A to Z. Click OK. Now we will go to developer tab again and we will stop the recording. So now you can see this is showing that we have recorded the macro successfully. So we have recorded a macro that name is sort, and that task is to sort this table in ascending order based on the quantity column. So that is all about step number 6, where we were supposed to record a macro. So we are done with step number 6. Now we are going to do next step, that is step number 7. Insert a form control button that spans the range I7 up to M10. Assign the sort macro and edit the text of the button to display sort. So now in this step we are supposed to add a button to worksheet, and that button should span this range I7 up to M10. So go to cell I7, this is I7. I7 up to M10 here. I7 up to M10. So go to developer tab and click insert and click button. Okay. This will start from I7 and this will end in M10 here. I7 up to M10. Okay. Now click cancel. So we have inserted a button in I7 up to M10. Okay. Now we are supposed to change the text to sort. So this has the text button 1. Right click on it and click edit text. So we will remove this text, that is button 1, and we will type sort here. Okay. So we have changed the text to sort. Now we are supposed to assign this button to a macro, that is sort. So right click on that again and click assign macro and select sort here. So we are going to assign this button to sort macro and click OK. So that is all about step number 7, where we were supposed to add a button to the worksheet. So now we are going to do next step, that is step number 8. Use the VBA editor to create a new module, then create a custom function named discount. Type the following code to create custom function. So now we are supposed to go to VBA editor to create a new custom function, and the name of the function is discount, and coding for that function is given here. This is the coding for that function. So first of all, go to developer tab again and click Visual Basic, that is the VBA editor. Now click on insert tab and click module. So we have inserted a new module. So we will simply copy this coding and we will paste here. So we have inserted a new module for the custom function, that is the discount. So we just copied the coding from the instruction and pasted here. So I have solved 8 steps for you in this video. That is half of the assignment that I have solved for you in this video. But if you want me to do this complete assignment for you, or if you want me to do this complete course for you, including all the Excel, Word, PowerPoint or Access assignments, you can contact me and you can hire me for your complete course. My WhatsApp number and email is showing at the bottom of the screen. You can contact me either through WhatsApp or email, and you can hire me for your complete courses, including all the Excel, Word, PowerPoint or Access assignment. So thank you so much for watching my video. I will get back to you